everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So I posted another poll on my community tab asking you which box I should open next because I have so many here to open. I've definitely way over 10. And it was a close call, but last I checked, the winner was a new subscription to our channel called Bubbles and Books. So that is what we will be unboxing today and learning a little bit more about. So this is what the packaging looks like. So whenever we have a new box on our channel, I pull up their website so we can learn a little bit more about it because it is new to me and maybe new to you as well. Before we get into what this box is all about, I just want to remind you all that I do have a giveaway going on. I will link that down below in the description box. The giveaway is contained in my Ipsy Ultimate video. So they say Bubbles and Books is all about romance and relaxation. So how it works, it says 1, plan your perfect me time moment. Choose the perfect steamy story to carry you away. Feel like a contemporary romance, paranormal, historical, they're all here ready and waiting to sweep you off your feet and deliver on the serious passion. Choose below. So you get to choose what type of novel you get in your box. And then it says step 2, await your treat with blissful anticipation. And then 3, come on in, the water's great. Ease back in your sweet scented dream pool. Immerse yourself in a heart-melting romance and soak up the yummy till you purr. So overall, I get the gist. This box is all about like pampering yourself. It gives you stuff to enjoy like in the bath, like bath products, as well as a book to enjoy while you're in your bath. So it's like relaxation, me time type of subscription, which I think is great. So on their website it says every monthly Bubbles and Books subscription comes bundled with a themed selection of goodies. Here's a collection of what you could get. Artisan soaps to nourish and soften your skin, luxury bath bombs, transform your bath time chill out with essential oils, scents, bubbles, and color. Rich and warming herbal teas to relax and calm. Heavenly bubble bath creates mountains of deliciously scented bubbles. Delightfully perfumed candles produces a blissful atmosphere to completely give into me time. And the all-important heartwarming romance to sweep you into passion paradise. And the options for your romance book, you can do contemporary read, so modern love stories, paranormal read, so fulfill your otherworldly desires, historical read, get swept into the past. And it says, you deserve it. Let's see how much it costs. So if you pay monthly, it looks like it's $27.99. If you pick to subscribe to like a 6 months or a yearly plan, it is less expensive. So I will leave their link and the pricing and all of that down below. But anyways, let's get started and see what's inside my box. So when I open it, this is what I see. It's all wrapped up nicely in some tissue paper. And then there are some papers on top. So it says Bubbles and Books Star Soakers Club. So Star Soakers Club celebrates taking back me time and indulging in a good soak. Whatever you do a kick-ass job at it and you deserve all the warmth, bubbles, and escapism Bubbles and Books provides. But that doesn't make it any easier to set aside some time regularly to look after yourself. So we want to help add an extra incentive. Every milestone you hit will send you an extra special something. Use the sticker from each box to track your progress. Okay, so they give you this in your first box and you get a sticker to put on it. I can see there's one right on this sheet, so when you get to like month 3, 6, 9, and 12, I guess you get an extra goodie, so that's cool. And again, there's my sticker right there, and it says Bubbles and Books, relaxation delivered. Theme in yellow. I spot the hills with yellow balls in autumn. I like the prairie cornfields, orange and tawny gold clusters. And I am called pumpkins. On the last of October, when dusk has fallen, children join hands and circle around me, singing ghost songs in love to the harvest moon. I am a jack-o'-lantern with terrible teeth, and the children know I am fooling. Carl Sandburg. So I guess they give you like some little reading every month. And then inside, you can now see underneath that paperwork everything else. See a lot of bath goodies. So I'm gonna pull out the first thing that caught my eye. Ooh, this is so cool. This is a bath bomb, but it's shaped like a skull, and it's like really cool. I think that is awesome. Kind of scary, but cute. Awaken Sugar Skull by Southern Fleet Bath. It says directions, drop in a tub of warm water and enjoy. Oh man, it smells so good. It smells like kind of like there's some lemon in it. But look how much detail is in that bath bomb. Awesome. And then here's Dragon's Blood Bath Bomb Dust. So definitely it's going with like the October, like, or like Day of the Dead, November 1st theme. I think that's November 1st, all right? So awesome. We got our bath stuff. Looks like there's even more bath stuff. Oh, and this one's like a pumpkin. It's a pumpkin bath candy. So this is a bath bomb. Awesome. Oh my god, this smells really good. This smells like pumpkin spice. You guys know how much I love pumpkin spice. Awesome. Oh, wait, there's even something else. This is the bubble bath stuff. This is Graveyard Juice Bubble Bath. So I love how it's sticking with the theme. That's awesome. So far we have 4 bath products, and now I see a book. Check this out. So the book I received is the USA Today bestseller by Lindsay Sands. It's called Immortal Born. And this is what the cover looks like. Look at that man. I'll just read the back to you so you can get a little synopsis of what this is about. A simple promise to protect her friend's infant son has turned Allie Chambers' existence upside down. Caring for and feeding an orphan vampire baby has been tricky enough. But as little Liam grows, so does his appetite. He needs more blood than she can personally supply. And when her attempts to steal from a blood bank go awry, Allie wakes up surrounded by doctors, cops, and the gorgeous, mesmerizing Magnus, who she can neither trust nor resist. Magnus never expected to find his life mate breaking into a blood bank. Clearly, Allie is already entwined with his world in a deeper, more dangerous way than she realizes. A band of vicious rogue immortals is in pursuit, and Magnus's first task is to keep her safe. His second, to awaken her to mind-blowing pleasure in hope she accepts the life, the passion that he can offer. Ooh. That again is what it looks like. Sounds very interesting. So we got the book and then 4 bath items. So I think you can definitely finish this book within using these 4 bath items. I don't know about you, but if I'm reading a good book, I can't put it down. So you have 2 bath bombs, some bath salts, and then also bubble bath, and they're all like themed around Halloween kind of. So I think the book is also very fitting because it's about like vampires and stuff like that. So I'm excited to read this. I'm totally gonna bring this in the tub. I have not had a day of like personal relaxation in a while, and I definitely could use one. So yeah, I think this is a great box. If you're into romance novels and baths and relaxation time, if that's how you spend your like me time, then I think you will love this box. So again, I'm gonna link them down below along with my giveaway. Thank you for everyone who voted in the poll. I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed opening this box. Thank you so much for being here. Love you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.